Let's see how to tag blog posts in Wix. Tagging blog posts in Wix helps organize your content and improve searchability. In this tutorial, we go through a simple step-by-step process to add tags to your blog post in Wix. First, you need to open your Wix account on your browser, and once you're in, go to the Wix editor and access the blog manager. Click on the blog post you want to edit. In the post settings, look for the labeled tags section. Next, type the relevant tags that best describe your post. Press enter after each tag to add it. Once done, click publish or update to save the changes. And that's it. That's how you tag blog posts in Wix. See you soon!